With the Bitcoin halving ready to commence in roughly 164 days' time, the question I have to ask, is Bitcoin actually that bearish? What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Crypto Kirby here, your cryptocurrency expert, back with another edition of the daily live stream. What is going on, my friends? Today I'd like to discuss Bitcoin and the action we're seeing inside the chart right now. Of course, we all should know here on a micro level, Bitcoin did break out bullishly of the inverse head and shoulders pattern, but quite frankly, that rally has failed for the time being, and we have retraced roughly half of that move at the time of recording. But what I want to do here today is not only analyze this micro move here, but I'd like to zoom out, analyze the macro move, and also talk a little bit about the Bitcoin halving ready to commence in roughly 164 days time. So as a full-time trader, I'd like to discuss with you my strategy, my game plan, and how I plan to crush this market right now in the immediate term. So without any further ado, you guys already know the deal. If you like these daily crypto videos and nightly live streams, smack that thumbs up button, click the subscribe, tick the little bell, and let's get this crypto. Moon the likes, ladies and gentlemen. Moon them up, alright? So we'll begin with our Bitcoin technical analysis. And of course, before we begin, this is not investment advice, this is not trading advice. These are only my own opinions, ideas, and speculative hypotheses on the market. Always do your own research and your own due diligence before investing or trading, as this market is extremely high risk, and I am not your financial advisor. I will never tell you what to do with your trades or investments. That being said, let's begin right here on the 4-hour time frame. Now, as I just stated in the introduction, Bitcoin did break out of this tentative bullish head and shoulders pattern, and we did break to the upside. But what wound up happening is upon our first test of real resistance, the old ranges of prior resistance over here on the way up, then what turned into then new support, once again was retested and now has acted as a new tentative resistance. What I'm looking for here now, we're looking at this on a daily time frame, was this the entirety of the relief rally, right? It's very possible. When you sell off this quickly, you generally tend to get a relief bounce. They're generally short-lived, but there generally is always some type of exhaustion rally back up to the upside. And what we saw here is the daily time frame went into oversold conditions. We did get that bounce back up. And right now, for the time being, we are getting rejected exactly where at least I would expect us to get rejected